friends, in today's video we will learn how to create this amazing creative warp effect in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Here we have our sculpture portrait. Make a duplicate of it by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Hide the bottom layer. Select the rectangular marquee tool from the toolbar and make a selection around the image. Press Ctrl or Command X and Ctrl or Command plus Shift plus V to paste it in a new layer. Make another selection just like this and paste it in a different layer. Now enable all the three layers and separate them like this. Press Ctrl or Command T to transform this little strip. Press Ctrl or Command to adjust the points. Press Ctrl or Command T, right click and choose Warp. Adjust it as per your requirement. Hit Enter or Return when you are done. Now choose a gradient map from the adjustment layer and create a clipping mask by clicking on this icon. Change the color as per your requirement and hit OK. This is how you can create some amazing creative effects in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.